Hey guys, so here we go again, back to the 70-foot sailboat. We're gonna show you the surprises we have found with it. This is one of them, look at it. Before we thought it was cosmetic, now we know it's structural. What we do now is first we open it to see the damage, the intensity of the damage. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut down in a nice square to remove all the damaged foam and see if it's humid or wet. Humidity is one thing, being soaked and wet is another thing. So we're gonna cut it down, remove all the foam, reinforce the inside layer of fiberglass, and then we're gonna put back on the foam. Of course, we're gonna glue it, and then we're gonna shape it to the right shape, and then we're going to do the lamination. It is very important here that we use the same product that they use. It seems to me that they use the 300 and they use also 400. We can also use 600. It doesn't matter as long as we keep all the layers. It seems to me that it has 12, 14 layers. So it is very thick, but we're going to take you through that repair step by step. No humidity. The inside layer is very healthy, very good. I don't see any big issues. Now I do see that it keeps going up to this level here and maybe soft. So that means all the way down here when we make this mark. So it looks small, but now we know it's at least 60 to 70 centimeters wide by 1.5 meters, almost 2 meters long. So it is a big damage. Surprise. It is what it is now.
You could see that it was soft.
Yes.
Or how did you discover it? Just briefly.
You have to open it with the grinder, okay, first, like we did here, and then it shows you. You see the white mark? That tells you that it's delamination. And you can see it here very easily, and you can see it here very easily. So every single one of these will look like this once we start opening it. Okay, so right now we're gonna let you know what we have done here, and we have cut out all the old foam, remove it, clean up the inside layer, all the lamination inside, the interior one. Okay, so now we have the piece measured and everything, it fits perfect, but we make some slits, some cuts on it to make it flexible, and it'll flex to the shape of the inside layer. What we did after that is we soak everything with resin to create a better adhesive. After that, we put putty first on the inside layer skin, and then we wet the foam, put putty on the foam, make sure that the putty came through the little holes. That tells us that there's no air pockets inside and everything is even. The putty is even in the layer, thin layer inside, and also on the foam. And after that, we push it in, and we did this screwing here, and put some pieces of foam inside to push it in and make sure that all the air pockets comes out. That way there's zero air inside and we don't have any blisters inside in the future. So there it is. This is one way to do it. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other ways to do it out there. Everybody has his own state of mind and own way to do it. This is the way we do it for this time, for the time being here. After this, we will send everything again and we're gonna start our lamination. It takes us about an hour, a full hour to do the whole thing. Cutting it out is about 1 hour, cutting and cleaning it and doing all those measurements and cutting the foam and all that. So in total, it takes us about 2.5 to 3 hours to do the whole process. Yeah, it's been drying and we make sure that it was dry. We also heated a little bit everything, because when you heat it, you get most of that humidity out that is there, and there was any humidity. Yeah, we just wanted to warm it up so everything dries faster without crystallizing the materials. So from this point, it's just about drying and, you know, sending it later. But the good point here is to make sure that the resin is coming out. You see how the resin come out through the little holes? That tells us that we have pretty much zero air pockets inside. And it's gonna keep doing that till it gets hard. So that's a good thing to do. So as you can see, we built a small tent to prevent the dust to spread all over the boat, and the other guys that are working over there with their PPEs, they don't have to have that dust all over flying around. So this keep us, you know, pretty much no dust flying around, but at the same time, keep in mind that all those fumes will be inside there. So keep your respirators on with your cartridges for fume and gas and whatever, and that way you don't get all dizzy and high. It's easy to get high in there.